Okay, so welcome back to R7 Designs. So in today's tutorial, I'm gonna be doing structural connections. So I'm not really structural engineer, so my connections might not be up to standard or accurate, but yeah, I'm just gonna do it and show you how you can do it. Maybe if you have the knowledge of structural connections. So let's get into it. So we're gonna start by loading our families, like the families gonna need, which are beams and columns basically, and we're gonna be using steel beams and steel columns. So we're gonna load our families. So yeah, let's start by our beams, and then let's just use this one. Let's use this one, and let's check for a smaller one. Let's use this one. Okay. Maybe this one. Then for our column, let's see. No. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's use this one. Okay, let's use this one. Okay, so before we start, let's start by doing our base basically, which is gonna be the floor, and we're gonna use any floor because yeah, this is just a tutorial. So let's see, 20 by 10, I think. Yeah, just put 20. Yeah, you can put in the middle. Yeah, so level 1 is our base level, so we're gonna be working on it most of the time. So we're gonna use reference planes to reference like where our beams are gonna be in our columns. So let's just offset by 1000 or something. Yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay, so let's just extend this on too, so I think can be accurate. So let's just say 22,000. Yeah, and you can just do this. Okay, so extend, extend like 5. Yeah. Okay, this is for our columns and our exterior beams, the bigger ones. Then now we have to do like reference planes for the smaller beams. Yeah, let's just try and use a different color for our reference planes. Let's create a new category basically, and just call it meat or something, and let's use this one for the sunny lights on. And yeah, okay, so I'm just gonna do undo, no, do the mid category. Okay, just gonna do two this side. Let's see. Yeah, it's fine. Oh no, just radius to the other side. Okay, good. So let's copy. Let's do 5 in the middle. So 4 9 to 5, you can just make sure that everything is okay. So yeah, nice. So now we can start with our columns. So let's go to structure, column. Okay, I'm gonna use this one, align. Okay. Let's do this. Okay, wireframe. Here's our column. Our base level is level 1. Then our top will be level 3. Okay, let's do yeah. Okay, so this is our column, and it's either we mirror it or we just copy the whole thing. You can use which one ever is easy. So let's just try and mirror the other side. Let's see. Okay, I think this is our midpoint. Yeah, then you can just copy to here and here. Okay, so okay, now we're done with our page, with our columns. So this is what we have at the moment. So now we're gonna do our X0 pins, which are the bigger ones. So we're gonna go to level 2. Okay, so our underlying base will be level 1, so you can see everything clear. And it's okay. So okay, so let's do our 0 pins now. Okay, so we're gonna go to our pin, and so let's use this one, the bigger one. Then yeah, make sure connect to this. Okay, so make sure that it's attached, so it's gonna be easy to connect. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, now let's do the last two, okay, which is this one. And this one. Yeah. Okay, just escape. Okay, so we are done with our 0 pins. Now we can do like the in-0 pins, like the smaller ones. So hopefully it'll be just quick, because let's see, pin. Let's use this one. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, let's drop it down like maybe by hundreds. Okay. Yeah, you can just copy this. Okay, now let's return with our structural framing. We can start with the connections, but before we start, we need to load like the connections in our project. So this is all the connections that we have. So we're just gonna load everything. Unless you know what you're gonna need, you can just add those, but in this instance we're just gonna load everything. And then we're gonna start by connecting our columns to our base, which is the floor. So we're gonna do this, select both, then structure, then connection, then this base plate. I think just gonna use it. It's not visible. Let's check for visibility. Then gonna wanna go to structural connections and see if everything is visible. So here it is. Okay. Yeah, then you can just turn on everything if you want. Like I think this is gonna do it. Let's see. Yeah, we have what we need. Then you can just do the same for every column. So yeah, it's gonna do the same thing. Base plate. Yeah. Okay, now that we're done with our column and base connections, we're gonna start by connecting like the columns and the exterior beams, the bigger ones, these ones. Okay, so yeah, let's just start here. Okay, select both, structure, connection. Okay, just gonna look for the one that makes sense, more sense basically. You have a beam and the column, so let's see this. Okay, this one makes sense. Yeah, let's just use this one. So for every x0 beam and column, just gonna use this one. So let's go on to it. Yes. Yeah, just gonna use this one. Okay, so once you're done connecting these ones, you're gonna start connecting the middle beams and the exterior beams. Yeah, then we'll be done. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, this is how it looks like at the moment. So I think this makes sense. Yeah. Okay, now let's connect these ones to these ones. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Okay, this one just look like automatically great. I think. Yeah, let's see the other side. Yeah, it's even making sense. Let me see if I can find maybe a better one. Let's see. Let's see. Nah. Let's just go with this one, not waste like time something. Yeah, if we have a better one, you can just comment it like in the comment section. Just gonna use this one for every one of these. So yeah, just gonna repeat this. Yeah, just gonna change this. Okay, so this is how our final thing looks like after I've connected every small beam to the bigger beams. So yeah, let me know how this looks like, and if you have knowledge of structural connections or something, maybe yours is better than mine. So yeah, but this is the final thing. So thank you for watching.